In this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for the SC5000 and SC6000 from Denon. The first one is holding shift and play while the track is paused. This works like a cue and play or a cup in Tractor. The second one is having slip mode enabled while the track is on pause and launching the hotkey buttons. Instead of playing directly, or at least not playing directly, but like continuing to play, they just play while you're holding it down. If you turn it off, it continues. Number 3 and 4 is the double press on the loop and on the slicer. You see the colors changing. If you press once loop, it will jump to the loops you set, or it will set a new loop. But if you press a second time, it will make a small loop and you can make it smaller and bigger. And then you jump back to your normal loop. And then for the slicer, here you slice continuously through the track, but if you press it again, you like make a loop and slice through the loop. Number 5 is pressing shift and the view button. You get a double view and you can load another track on B. If you like this video, do a thumbs up and put in the description if you already knew those tips and tricks.